Hello, today I'm going to show you what's in my box and you'll find me for you. Today let me introduce you this APPASO Black Kitchen Faucet. This is a modern kitchen faucet with a pull-down sprayer in matte black. It's a single handle, high arc gooseneck. It's a modern kitchen sink faucet with a deck plate. It's also available not only in black, it's also available in bronze, brushed nickel, in nickel itself, or in all rubber bronze and stainless steel too. Here comes an original design. This single-handle kitchen faucet is a masterpiece of the design of APPASO. An elegant and sleek aesthetic that gives us a sense of belonging to the kitchen. And we pull out the spray kitchen faucet with two settings. These modes are stream and spray. We stream for filling water, we spray for a strong cleaning wash. Here comes the upgrade for our kitchen, and we will be amazed. And this commercial kitchen pull-down faucet with a high-quality ceramic cartridge system has passed over 500,000 cycle testing to ensure that it will last over 10 years. The NSV standard zinc alloy cover with multi-layer brushed nickel, high-temperature resistant PEX hoses. The price is very reasonable and attractive in this case, and easy to install and easy to maintain. The kitchen faucet quick-in system requires only 4 simple steps to install the tap, without plumbers and specialized tool. And it takes only about 20 minutes to finish the DIY installation process. Superior corrosion and rust-resistant finish prevent dirt from sticking to the faucet surface. The cleans faucet by cloth is enough in daily use. And it looks really cool and elegant. APPASO comes with a patented design, a superior quality, and warm and touchful surfaces. It's lead-free 304 stainless steel, water-saving, drip-free, easy clean finish, easy to install, durable functional. Ooh. The 304 material comes with an anti-fingerprint design, and we have 5-layer nano coatings. Over 500,000 cycling tests. Tight seal, no dripping, for long-term use. It will be a good life help for us, of course. It's heat resistance, anti-drip, and anti-deformation. 5 cm, 20 inches extensional tube are included. And we have a 360 degrees free rotation. It fixes single or double zinc for more space, for more cleaning process. Oh, that's cool. Because here in one tap we have 2 types of jets. One is smooth and the other is a little bit harder. A APPASO kitchen taps is a high-pressure tap with only 2 water supply lines. That means hot and water hoses. If our tap is low pressure and this requires 3 water supply lines to connect the additional boiler or under sink applications, the APPASO tap will not work. So you have to take first a look underneath the tap at home. If you have 3 water lines there, it will be not compatible. If you have 1 hot water and 1 cold water line at home, it is compatible. Then the maximum thickness of the box top is 1 up to 4/7 inches. These are 40 millimeter. The size of the fixing hole is 1 up to 1/4 inches. These are 32 millimeter, and minimum 1 up to 2/5. That are 35 millimeter maximum. Okay. We can use the stabilizer, which is included to make the sink more stable. This is often if we use a metal sink. If you have a silk granite sink, it's not necessary to attach this additionally. This is effectively prevent the tap from wobbling. If we in the future will need a replacement part, means that APPASO, as the manufacturer, they are committed to supply us with a high quality product that delivers the exact performance. We can feel free to contact them for any replacement needed. And when a sprayer switch is loose, this is normal, okay? When the package is received at your home, the sprayer switch is loose, which is normal. After installation, the tap can be used normally after receiving the water pressure. This is not a quality problem, of course. It's only a pressure problem. If there is more pressure, no problem, the switch will be good to use. And the hand sprayer of APPASO kitchen taps are made of plastic. This avoids burning our hands when using the hot water process. The minimum fluid pressure is 0.05 millipascal. These are 7.2 psi. The recommended fluid pressure is 0.1 up to 0.5 millipascal. These are 14.5 up to 72.5 psi. The working pressure is maximum 1 millipascal. These are 145 psi. You see, it is compatible with a big and in a large range of different countries, or we can use this faucet model, easy peasy, and the installation process are easy in this case, because the only thing is we have to get this into position through our thing. Then we can connect, or we tighten it first by using the counter nut. Then we tighten the 2 screws on the bottom side. It is then sealed. After this process, we can connect the 2 hoses. One is for hot supply and the other for a cold supplement. And at the end, we are going to use the gravity ball. We will attach the gravity ball on the bottom side of the black line, which is there is a red line and blue line. One is for hot water, one for cold water, and a black line. And this black line is the line for the pull out system. And on the bottom side of this black line, we attach the gravity ball to make this pull out system comes automatically back in position. And after this installation, we can have fun with our APPASO Black Kitchen Faucet. This is a modern kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer, a matte black finish. It's a single-handle high-arc Gooseneck modern kitchen sink faucet with a deck plate and an extendable outpulling water supply thing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.